Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I am making a 30-minute hot chocolate pudding cake. Soft rich chocolate cake topped with a warm creamy pudding layer. A perfect dessert for chocolate lovers. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add half cup curd, 2/3 cup powdered sugar. Mix well until smooth. Add 1/4 cup oil and mix again. Now sieve 1 cup flour, 3 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix gently. Add 1/4 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix to form a smooth batter. Chocolate desserts are loved worldwide. Do not overmix the batter. Grease a 7-inch mold and pour the batter. Preheat a pan with a wire stand for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook on low heat for even baking. Now prepare the hot chocolate pudding. In a pan add 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons corn flour. Mix well and cook until thick. Stir pudding continuously to avoid lumps. Add 1 tablespoon chocolate chips, half teaspoon instant coffee powder. Mix well. Coffee enhances the chocolate flavor. Pour the hot pudding over the cake. Let it cool completely. Add chocolate chips on top. Hot pudding adds a rich and creamy layer. Eggless cakes can be just as soft and moist. Pour pudding while still warm for best texture. Homemade desserts are fresher and safer. You can control sugar and ingredients. Cocoa contains antioxidants. Enjoy sweets in moderation. Your rich hot chocolate pudding cake is ready. Serve and enjoy the chocolate goodness. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy recipes.